Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm the Hisense model and current firmware so you know what options will appear. Once done, keep the remote and your Wi-Fi password at hand, plug an Ethernet cable if the wireless is unstable. Using the remote, open Settings, go to Network, then Network Settings. You're initiating a reset sequence, so make sure any USB drives are removed. This step locates current network profiles and prepares the TV for changes you'll apply next. Now perform the actual reset. Choose Reset Network or Forget Network in the Network Settings menu to delete saved SSIDs and credentials. If prompted, decide DHCP versus static IP, use DHCP for typical home networks. Pick static only when you know IP, gateway, and DNS values. After clearing profiles, navigate to restart or power cycle the TV to flush cached connections. This ensures the TV requests fresh network assignment on boot, which resolves most configuration conflicts and IP lease problems. Reconnect by selecting your Wi-Fi, entering the password exactly, and watching for confirmation. You'll see an IP assigned if successful. Once connected, run network diagnostics or open an app to verify internet access and streaming. If it fails, make sure to power cycle the router and the TV. That resolves common DHCP and caching errors. As a key troubleshooting tip, try Ethernet. If wired connection works, the problem is wireless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.